It's just changed everything. I feel confident going out to a restaurant, not worrying about my appearance. It is the best thing I've done for myself in many, many years. Hi, my name is Tim. I'm 50 years old. I'm a handyman by trade. I run my own small handyman business. As a young child, I was playing on a jungle gym and I took a serious fall off that and I broke my front tooth off. After the fall, I went to the dentist and the dentist then put a cap on to repair the tooth. The only problem with having a cap in the mouth was it slowly discolored. I was embarrassed to smile, just wasn't happy with myself. I then went on for another procedure and that was replacing the cap with a crown, and virtually a couple of years after having the crown put in, I was in the same boat, discoloration, not feeling happy about smiling, just very withdrawn. It really spoiled my confidence. I didn't feel like smiling, I felt embarrassed to smile. After years of struggling with my tooth, I was scrolling on social media and I came across Brighton Implant Clinic and they were offering free consultations. And so I decided, let's give it a go, and I booked myself an appointment. After having the initial consultation with Dr. Silva, it was discussed what the plan of action would be. I was then booked in for an assessment and a whole lot of scans, and the staff were accommodating. They knew that I was scared. Just from word go, the support was there, the procedure went well, and yes, I've got a new tooth. The biggest fear that I always had was that if I had the implant, would it match my other teeth? Would it look odd? But the end results were just awesome. I can't believe that I waited so long. It's just boosted my confidence. I like smiling now, get some photos done with the family. It's just changed everything. I can go out and eat, not worrying about if something's going to come loose in my mouth. It just was the right thing to do. I can't tell you how excited I am being able to smile with the kids. I really, really appreciate what Brighton Implant Clinic has done for me.